to the Minister of Lands and Mineral Resources and the Acting Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, Honorable Filimoni Bosorongo, to the Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, Honorable Tomas Tunumbuna, the Permanent Secretary for Agriculture and Waterways, Dr. Andrew Tukana, the Assistant Food and Agriculture Organization, United Nations representative to Fiji, Ms. Joan Yang, representatives from the development partners, the Pacific Community, World Food Program, and Live and Learn, senior managers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, students, members of the media. Bulavinaka to you all. I am very honored and privileged to address you this morning as the chief guest at this esteemed World Food Day celebration, an event observed globally each year on October 16th, which is today. Ladies and gentlemen and students, today is a day of global significance where we renew our commitment to ensuring everyone has access to safe, nutritious, and sufficient food. This year's theme, Right to Food for a Better Life and a Better Future, underpins the vital importance of food, nutrition, and security in equity in creating a healthier and a more just Fiji for all. The sub-theme, Leave No One Behind, is a powerful reminder that our efforts must reach every corner of our society, ensuring that no Fijian is excluded from this fundamental right. Food is more than just a sustenance. It is a cornerstone of life. It influences health, shapes our communities, and affects our environment. Access to adequate food remains a daily challenge for millions worldwide. In Fiji, we've faced various challenges related to food, nutrition security, including issues such as malnutrition and deficiencies in micronutrients, alongside the growing concern of overweight and obesity. Our duty and responsibility is to address these challenges through innovative and sustainable solutions that enable all citizens to live healthier, more fulfilling, and more meaningful lives. The right to food is enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and other international instruments. It transcends the mere act of satisfying hunger, ensuring access to nutritious and culturally relevant food options while upholding the principles of dignity and respect. Ensuring the right involves guaranteeing food availability and considering its affordability, accessibility, and sustainability. It is essential to strive for resilient food systems that deliver various nutritious options for all individuals, particularly those in vulnerable situations. As we strive for a better future, we must be inclusive in our approach. In many communities, women, children, the elderly, the marginalized groups are disproportionately affected by hunger and food and nutrition insecurity. These groups are also at greater risk of malnutrition and related health conditions. To leave no one behind, we must prioritize initiatives that address these inequalities. Our policies and programs are tailor-made to support the most vulnerable, ensuring that they can have access to the resources they need to thrive. One of the critical steps in strengthening social safety nets to protect low-income families, supporting farmers with sustainable agricultural practice, and improving our supply chains to reduce food waste and ensuring timely access to markets. We must also encourage responsible consumption and make healthy eating habits more accessible and affordable. We need innovative strategies and cross-sector collaboration to build a better food future in Fiji. Government ministries, private sectors, civil society, international organizations, and our development partners here all have a role to play in transforming our food systems. We must promote agroecological and agro-nutrition practices that prioritize environmental sustainability, invest in research to improve nutrition outcomes, and create platforms where farmers, consumers, and policymakers can collaborate on sustainable solutions. Sustainable agriculture serves as the foundation of food security. We must advocate for and develop agricultural practices that nourish the current population and safeguard resources for those who will come after us. We should also promote policies and strengthen smallholder farmers, enhance biodiversity, and address challenges posed by climate change. Additionally, it is imperative to confront the issues of food waste. Annually, an incredible quantity of food is discarded while individuals suffer from hunger. It is essential to reevaluate our consumption patterns, minimize waste, and guarantee that excess of food is distributed to those who require it. Education is crucial for promoting awareness about nutrition, sustainable agriculture, and healthy living. By imparting this knowledge to you, our students, especially to the children and the young people, we can cultivate a generation that values and respects the food that they consume, laying the groundwork for a future where food is abundant and nourishing for generations to come. The Fiji policy on food and nutrition security is being finalized by the Ministry of Health and Medical Services before endorsement. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways for their efforts in taking the lead in advancing necessary processes to reach this stage. Valelevu, thank you. Ngaka.